other. Yeah? Share this video. Share this video. Yeah? Onwere ụfọdụ ụmụnne m ndị nchọrọ ịjụ ajụjụ n'abalị a. Especially Agbala Nze Media. Somebody tag Agbala Nze Media na this video. Agbala Nze asịrị nka njụ ọgụ. Etala akwụ ka ọ keze odo. Arrest Akwa. Expose go so many of you. Arrest Akwa. Expose go so many of you are your intentions. But sometimes silence is golden. You gotta go. Sometimes silence is golden. It's better ni meshirono. Don't say anything. Rather than ni kuloku, iwe tebo onwego, iwe septo onwego opanilo. Arrest Akwa. Expose go so many of you. Na that share unu nezo. We go see the real intentions unu nwelu towards if I have every day on na Facebook. Ben ndọcha jikwa we menga, o jikwa we leto aka ndọcha si eme, bla 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 bla. Ona afie beni ne mmada ya n'ife. Government bialu with a nice initiative. The aim of government ablo to stop anyone tibia from elu. The aim of government is Olwaho Madibia Nano, Olwaha na by anywhere. Keluko Siwena affect insecurity and will buy. That is their aim. They are never against any Madibia Elo or Cholo, but government will interest in that Olofanalo. It is not even only Tunde Dibia alone, but Tunde Pastor General. When you malon cornalo, Nyabia Kowa, Kamali Fonalo. This is exactly what you people has been preaching all this while. This is what you people have been preaching all this while. But it is now very clear now that now all this while na ebe attention onodo na ebe area of interest onodo na ebe the church no na ebe the pastors no. That is why in US and arrest Akwa is supposed to go all of you. Ebe interest no do. Wunde bende pastors no and the ebe churches no. Owulu na arrest ya emela Akwa wo pastor nde winners. Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Pastor Ejike Nwachukwu ka arrest river. Ono ya de jubilate na wana enu ebe niile na enwela angole. Because that is what you people have always wanted. But now, all na Akwa Okuko language you know they change na. Abaranse Media, I'm very, very disappointed with you. Now this video, email, go and delete that video. Go and delete that video. Yes, go and delete that video email. That video email is very shameful. I have to tell you. You gotta go. I have to tell you the truth. Go and delete that particular video email he posted because that video is very laughable and it's very shameful. How can you come up to say that na government your interest all this while has always been pastors, churches, pastors, churches? Does it matter where the hand of justice want to start from? Does it matter where they start from? Must everybody be apprehended at the same time? So for as long as now arrest you a pastor, for as long as now arrest you a bishop, for as long as now church are under investigation, every other people must be allowed to operate in any way they want to operate. That is the question I am asking you. You are saying that no problem because of Ife more say happier no problem. You went straight to churches and pastors. Some of you really amaze me. The way you people think. I don't know. Imagine who are these people. So what do you now make all this why? It's all about churches and pastors, and not even about collective justice. It is all about pastors and churches. It has nothing to do with anything that concerns spirituality. So for as long as now arrest a pastor, Akwa Okuko and the rest and the rest of his kind should start operating without anybody checkmating their activities. But as far as I arrested one pastor, you people don't care. You celebrate, you jump up. I thought it is all about telling our people that they should forget about everything that has to do with spirituality and face reality. I thought this is what your message is all about. I thought it is all about allowing our people to face reality and forget about anything spirituality, that it doesn't work. Why are you people trying to change your stand now because Akwa Okuko, your favorite plug, your juju plug, has been arrested? So you are now changing your stand now. Are you not supposed to be happy? Nobody has convicted Akwa. Akwa is only but a suspect. What government says is that we are going to investigate. We are going to investigate and checkmate your activities. All on your hand to clean, you will walk away free. But all on your hand are free. You know the consequences. You know the consequences. Now, what government says is that Naham will a call number. Can you fetch that call number? If you see something suspicious, call this number. There is even 5 million reward awaiting you. So, all on if pastor non a washman, or on if pastor non a redeem, or one if pastor non a winners, you will feel one if a pastor name no or gallo contrary to the laws, etc. Anambra homeland laws. Take out your phone and call that emergency number, and they will respond immediately. Why are you people crying and showing that vulnerability? All this while you are showcasing it for the world to see. It is very laughable and shameful that even somebody like Ejika Moment of Truth can come up to come and advocate for Akwa. You can come up to come and advocate for Akwa. Who arrested Akwa because of no Najima de Ego? I am asking you, or are you trying to change the narrative? Are you trying? Can you remember? Are you trying to change the narrative? Another freezer. Yeah? Are you people trying to change the narrative? I am asking you. Are you trying to say that everybody, both pastors and they must all be investigated at the same time? What are you people even saying? Now, Ndo Tumu and everybody on Facebook, we see clearly that Awalanze and his cohort all this while has been advocating for churches to go. Now you will know now and agree with me that going back to the root they have been advocating for all this while, it's Igbo and the Igbo Kite and nothing more. If you are against anything spiritual, you should be happy that now our government and they have identified, now they have heard your cry. It doesn't matter whether the hand of justice started from the church or it started from Ukuamu. It doesn't matter where it starts from, provided no gasulon. A lot of people have even put water in their mouth. They have closed their mouth and they have refused to talk. Where is J-Pack? Have you heard J-Pack say anything? There are so many of them you will never hear them speak. One day I will meet up with this truth. And I want to meet up with this truth. I am going to ask this truth. Tell me truly, what is the truth? Because it seems like everybody, because as funny as if I balance he keeps saying, when you know that you are lying, you know that you are deceiving yourself, you know that you are swimming in lies and deceit, In Oleba, go bineku, Nandam Mati Yefilu, Noki Puesioku, Nandam Madu Medife, Harakereka, Kahana, no Hano Hefa, Hebidi. What are you even saying? I am asking you, Abaranze. What are you even saying? What are you saying? Yeah? So, Ugobuzu, who cares whether he's coming out tomorrow or not? Who cares? Ijuwa biko somebody will Ijuwa na name program biko. Who cares if he's coming out tomorrow or not? Who is even arguing that he will not come out? This unnecessary bias. All of you now have started protecting Akwa and defending Akwa. If you believe that no Akwa na Aluolo and Akwa deserve to be free, why are you making a hell of noise naming the pastors? No, you people started it. Whatever. If you believe that na Akwa na Aluolo, that na Akwa are supposed to get shipmate if on why are you making noise, jumping every day? Pastor Nkaji go say, Pastor Nkaji gare say. If you believe in if Akwa na machine ite, no na Aluolo, why are you after the pastors? Sometimes you people have failed in a failing in what the point is straight. Who is even saying na Akwa puta? Who says na Akwa ejewenanga? Who says so? Why are you people getting unnecessary tensed up and worked up for nothing? Yeah? If I were you, I will close my mouth. I will not say anything. You are trying to justify to us that say Wabogu messages noka. You are making it to sound so clear. You are making it to sound so clear. Say Wabogu, say Jezenoka. At least it is clear now. Some of you are to go bold enough to come out and tell us, because imagine go do no pastor keji de lefa. Imagine no pastor keji de lefa. Do you know what these people will be feeling like? Do you know what these people will be sounding like? Even they keep pointing. The pastor so let us forget about on a neutral ground. So you are encouraging him to continue. That is why so unless I am asking you. You said that spirituality will deceive Africa. That I am not talking about ndo to believe no so much. I'm not talking about ndo woko do hanaho kahaje defending the Dibia. I'm not talking about those people, because your stand is very clear, and I won't blame you. I am talking about ndani deceive ndana uwe ha wuti na ebia be ndosha na ndosha de emife dotua na ndosha emife dotua na ndosha de jesuka na ndosha believe na spirituality. Ndosha na agwo kite. I am asking you, ndosha na agwo kite, ndosha na agwo ibo bisi ato. Ana ma joga ajuju, why you nje deceive omun? Agbago mu na onye cheza banya zaba, onye cheza kolo nya za kolo kare mo mmade ida za akolo. O ago kono na ago omun, ago kono na ago omun. Eche egwogwu je gworo nwe ogwu nwere onye jigi je gwogwu, mana ị na-agwọ ogwu na nzuzo izo yezo pụtazie n'ihu na-asị ụka jikwa wee mee nka, ụka jikwa wee mee nka indirectly. But ịma na ị na-eme ife mmụọ, mana ịpụta na-asị ndị ụka na-eme ife mmụọ ha emezi n'ife mmụọ, mana ịma na ị na-eme ife mmụọ. Ịma na itehu doso nwa, ịma na ibobe agwọlụgwụ doso nwa, ịma na ọgwụ ekechirighị doso nwa. Yeah? Ịma na ọgwụ ekechirighị n'ọdoso nwa. Ịpụta na-ekwu na ndị ọcha wee jụọ wụsịghị ndị ọcha na-agwọ ọgwụ, ndị ọcha na-agwọ ibubo, ndị ọcha na-eme oke ite. Stand ya n'ọgwụ ị na-agwọ, ayaghị enwe problem with you. Onwe onye ya afọ ọsụrụ sịghị nna gbodewe ọgwụ kweghị na-agwọ, gwọra ya no your choice, it is your decision. But don't come to generalize the whole issues, because all need against spirituality in Africa. You should count it as a journey of 1,000 miles that begins with a step. by Akwa's arrest. I am not moved by somebody like Harry Obiama saw Bugatti. I'm not moved by people like you. I know you. Oh, for the moon, call your way to a apartment. I've able to convert your room mother to a quarter. Yes. Among these guys, that justice, that member, House of Assembly, among those guys, them. Only engage in apartment here. If Lord dog, if Lord dog get done, you funke done a bedroom yet. Oh, my dibia warrior, or Pastor Elebela. Oh, my dibia warrior, or Pastor Elebela. So, why are you against this men being shipmate kamalo activities and dog wahana keri for guahuneku? Why are you against it? No on your jaw. Like I agree with some people who say that no one do against what Governor Soludo is doing in Anambra State. No one was skeleton in his or her cupboard. You people should stop living your lives as a coward. Stop living your lives. Stop living the lives of a coward. It will not take you to anywhere. It will not take you to anywhere. Abalanze, are you telling me that no a pastor? Keji de Lefa. Look at that guy in the mother they know a gospel singer. Whereas that guy uploaded a gospel singer. But let us even agree that that guy who a gospel singer. Look at how they were sharing the video everywhere. The guy who ain't one. I joy no regret. You see no regret here. Look at how they were bold enough sharing the video everywhere because they are happy that now apprehend a gospel singer, not even a pastor. Imagine Koyado na Akwa Okuko arrested a pastor call. Imagine the kind of lesson these people here were accusing them mother. Deceive them no more now balance. Ichi wogu jego wogu. No more onye say ga gwo no ogu. One chese na mmadụ gwara one eje na gwo ogwu. From go we put iteru na odo ogwu. Do na nimu no puta na say pastor jigo we menka pastor jigo menka. Pastor si eje na gwo ogwu. Pastor si eje na gwo ogwu. In a job, Manessa and Emily anything to cast spiritual. If Madibia, when he keep pushing Ruvite, while Nita in Yego. Man, he believe was no general no Cachinio, Acaputota call, Nachine to capable of Inyego. He believe Vulu. Nije, na ye big it, Yego Goyahu protection, and Kayawiti Nuka, Boyaba. Man, he believe was in a Madu Meriki Jordan program, no Noka. A belly, a belly protect Yaya. He believe Luna. Dibia nwere ike inye gị ife ya weta n'ọnụ ọwụrụ ekwe mana I believe hozi na mmadụ nwere ike ije n'ụlọ ụka ekpere ya ekpere ụzọ ya emepe. I believe na I nwere ike ije na nke eze nwaanyị ọ sapụ wụshodo n'ahụ kpọlụ je mmiri aweleghị achake mana I believe hozi na mmadụ nwere ike iji olive oil ikpe ekpere ụzọ ya emepe. Are you not the highest deceiver of all time? I am asking you. Are you not the highest deceiver of all time? Now let me tell you what Governor Soludo is after. Kunwe exposed to the ignorance because it is becoming too much. That he exposed ignorance is becoming too much. Nje nanke pastor we say miracle money. They receive miracle money. Odoro pastor, odoro mona chuku. Yes. Odoro mona pastor, doro mona chuku because neji honya we mejo mmadu ibe m. Mana owunu na nje na nke nwadi bia ka ogwo olu mo ogwu ka m wee je toro mmadu ka o ya wa agba ma egwo ya aba. Ogwu aha gwuru na ogwu mmeji we megide onye ozo. Nyaka Soludo se wona ocho. So owunu onwelu pastor e ma na eme such thing. Take up that hotline. Call the Udo Gashi or call Anambra State government. Let them go and pick up that pastor. Yes. Or if you go. Or would you know when only Mano de Zuoshi? Or where will know Bukadibia and Wallo ye? Go when they protect ya no share on the zoo. Or where will know where Pastor Emma name a similar thing because Nefa we fe Haji Megidonyo so. No wuru ni je gwologu ye ji protect yo mwe je gwologu maka omumu je gwologu maka success go na business go o we wu no mo anything like pass ahụ mmadụ ma ọwụ ife ọwụ na-etiri n'ọgwụ ahụ. O nwere ife gọọmenti ji ga-eme. Gọọmenti enwere ife fa ji ga-eme. Na ebe akwa ya nọ wee mee nsogbu owo wee bataruo n'okwu agwụ ewesịa ọgwụ nke awụ ọgwụ gụnụ kele onye nwe ọgwụ a. We want to see onye nwe ọgwụ kele ife ọgwụ a na-ekwu wee wụrụ ịma na ụfọdụ ife ha na-agwọ ebe ahụ ka nsogbu ya nọ wee dụ ebe ahụ ka ebunu ya nọ wee fụ ndị kpụ atụrụ ọhọnọ ezi unu na-eme ịghọtago ebe ahụ ka ebunu ya nọ wee fụ ndị kpụ atụrụ ọhọm kpọtụrụ unu na-enye ewu ihe akụ ni gọọmenti mgba ọ dụ ka onwere ndị dị mma arrest na Nigeria nwee ndị adịghị mma arrest all this bias lifestyle unu na-ebi I don't understand. O nwere ndị dị mma ka arrest ya na Nigeria nwere ndị adịghị arrestable arrest ha akwa ofiewe ebe niile arrest ha akwa go arrest akwa as success number 1. Don't worry, they will soon arrest a pastor. Yes, go arrest akwa as success number 1. Don't worry, they will soon arrest a pastor. When they finally arrest a pastor, you will change immediately. I'm ashamed of some of you. J-Pack every day, ndoka. Of us anything today. Eche non doka na-eme ụmụazịba iji adulesi. Ka aba na okwu alụsị ndị dibịa niile, ka amalụ ndị na-eme ụmụazịba anyị ji adulesi. Ka amalụ ndị na-eme ụmụazịba anyị eji osisi ije mụọlụ. Ka amalụ ndị mere ụmụazịba anyị eji osisi ije bọyị. Ka amalụ ndị mere ụmụazịba anyị eji osisi ije mụọlụ. Ka aba na okwu alụsị ndị dibịa niile, aba na churches niile. Ka agụ census, ka aka wụọ. Na all along if you know the against any form of spiritual activities deceive in the by we go number 1 stand choose dalo hinne. But today you people have shown clearly that no one a particular section able to defend that place. I can't suppose hijeba anywhere Wadibia Donalo involved. You people came out and you have defended that Wadibia. Sometimes I'm on even at the moon. Ode mmadụ nwụ ana m adụ proud nkwụrụ na agbango na mokwu na ihe ahụ ọdụ mmụọ ọdụ njọ conscience nkweta ha na until such a time you will convince me otherwise. Until then I am always proud to stand and identify with ebe nkwu. I will not come in a coward way, in a stylish way. I will not do so. Somewhere in these guys will appear. It will not help you. It will not help you. No, for as long as now arrest on the pastor, they should allow Akwa to continue. Are you not aware that a lot of criminals are now arrested? How else can government if not by looking closely into the activities of this Ndedibia? Yes, if not by looking closely into the activities of this Ndedibia. Until such a time I hear a criminal or Pastor Paul Pastor Paul Pastor Paul umeju until such a time I hear one criminal who will confess that not a pastor or not Bible pastor or not olive oil pastor every day na enye mkpọtụ onye ahụ adịghọ enye ya olive oil onye ahụ adịghọ enye ya olive oil onye achọghị ije jishifo ya alụ ọ na chọọchị chinye aka elu una na-enye mkpọtụ noise. I call it noise. Now we are talking about criminal activities that border on security of our land. On must be exhibit ignorance on. Akwa is untouchable. When you people were calling out Evangelist Bukobi, why did you not call the names of Ndedibia alongside with him? I am asking you. When you people were calling out Evangelist Bukobi's name everywhere, talking about Pastor Nka, why were you people not talking about Ndedibia alongside with him? Today, I arrest Akwa. You want them to go and arrest all the pastors alongside with him. It doesn't happen like that. It doesn't happen like that. You people will learn, and you will learn it the hard way. You will learn it the hard way. I challenge all of you people making this noise on Facebook. Come down to Anambra State, stand boldly and say this. Because you see if I name where you see a bully routine, we see. It's in if I know where he see a belly routine, if I name when we see. One na afe buko bi everywhere. Every day. The DPO kono na abo. When have you people ever come to your Facebook platform? Wopota a dibia. Oh, onye kwa akwa. Una shwe kiti. Onye kwa wa dibia. Una shwe kiti. Una gori iye no una gori iye na. Today, ejide go akwa. Ono shozie ke ejide nde pastor niile. Unu ye megido. Unu ye megide ife. The more unu na-eme, the more Chineke ya de gosi unu na mmadụ abụrụ Chukwu. You got to go. Justice is justice. There is never such a time. There is never such a time darkness will prevail over light. There is never such a time darkness will prevail over light. For as long as you don't want to say the truth will always stare you at the face. Yes. Ekugonya before. Gwame ebe jide danalo onye nto. Ose no pastor na ekpere ojeje atonto. Gwame ebe jide danalo onye ohi. Ose no pastor na ekpere ojeje ohi. Gwame ebe jide danalo onye na-eme ife ojo nwe ka o si wedo. Ose no pastor na enye ife ojeje. Gwame ebe jide danalo onye bu ogwu apụ. Ime ha sego na nde pastor eti no ụmụazị bai niile na nga why na farma ndị na-emeghe farma no ndị dibia na-enye ụmụazị ọgwụ gwa ha buru ọgwụ pụọ na ịpụọ na ya ejide one pastor ka ijere ịgba niile enye ọgwụ apụ kpebere ekpere pastor one iyari ekwe ka pastor wo mara ife ọjị na-eme ọkwa ya ya datụrụ ya ụga gwa na-ewo international businessman. Yes. Mmadụ one na-eje n'ụlọ ụka ịnọrọ n'ebe akpọrọ ọtakọsị ndị na-azụ ọgwụ pụta ndị na-ezu ohi pụta ndị na-agba agba pụta ndị na-atụ mmadụ pụta ndị na-egbu mmadụ pụta bụ one ka akpọnala ọtakọrọ ahụ n'ụlọ ụka. I am asking you, say the truth. All these things ha na-agwa ya ndị dibia in confidence amagwọ ọgwụ maka this particular guy ejidere na ndị agburu justice dibia gwọrọ ya ọgwụ ahụ ife ọ na-eme. Anya ko eji we prescribe here the perfect ọgwụ o nwere ike gwọrọ ya ebube agụ ebe ọ nọ ọdọ na onwe ife ọjọọ na-abịa ọkụ ya n'ahụ o escape. Yes. Now you know why government is paying attention more to those dibias. Nevertheless, they left a line to say if you have any useful information, put a call across through this line. Why are you people not making calls? Calling the attention of the state government. Come to think of that, if you bring a genuine information, you have 5 million naira to your name. Why are you people making noise on Facebook? Yeah? Why are you people making noise on Facebook? If you give a useful information to the arrest that will lead to the arrest of even a pastor, or when we wanna complain who do genuine, you have a 5 million naira to your name. Why are you not doing something to go and grab that 5 million? I'm asking you. Why do you choose to come to Facebook and talk for nothing? Eh? I'm very, very disappointed with Barrister Ndi Igbo. Very, very disappointed. You see, this is why it is not good to play a fellow game with a kind of people. Just because Akwa came to your birthday and throw a lot. You see, just because now your birthday, please click on like and love and make sure you share this video. Click on love and like and make sure you clear this video. But sometimes I begin to question the kind of truth I say. Because nanda ye ne now a painty black. I know that some of you don't like truth I know that no matter how it is, I must say the truth, whether you like me or not. That is why in Juwejo, yeah? That is why in Juwejo, no bosyo na mafu ezioku. I must sit down ezioku noche ke yodo. We joy ya jojo for. So we will continue. I ain't on a dark, but we have to continue. Any day, mafo, if I am a ezioku, I will sit ezioku down for more than how long? We joy a jojo, see, actually, nke igba mi fe we ezioku ta. Igba ho mi fe we ezioku, or wolo monayo. Iga gwanedi mi fe we ezioku, because everybody claim to be saying this truth. Even those who are clearly lying are all claiming to be saying this truth. Imagine truth to J-Park Iseku. Which kind of truth is this? Ezioku J-Park Iseku. Omechi gono eyano nuye from Fujuapa. He will not call a spade. BecauseNej de go master. Why can't you come out and at least say something? As you go, okay, she says something about if I know about why are you not talking? Let him at least come out and speak for Akwa. We want to hear him speak for Akwa. Let us know what he's going to say. He is waiting for the day Akwa ya apota. Ko we mapota na Facebook bia kuoku. Eh? Which kind of people are we dealing with in Ihuauko? For as long as no bro isi pastor Baronefa Aniku, you are willing to conceal the truth. You are willing to let go of Ifo whether no na how to people or not, provided no bro a pastor. Your priority is pastors. Your priority is churches. For as long as it is not a pastor and it is not a church, you don't care what goes on. There will be a day you will sit down and you will recount all your actions. There will be a day you will sit down. It will be a day of judgment. Whether on what or on what. So there must be a day you will sit down and your actions will be right there, Nihu, glaring at your face. Yes, we call it a day of justice. We call it a day of reckoning. Because of Fodini Kaliambe. Look at Ifa Balance and Atata on a program. I wouldn't even do a Jidakwa, Maki, if more, say Hapwaka, after all, and the pastors, blah, 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 blah. Yeah? I question the integrity of this man. Yeah? Yeah? I always question the integrity of this man. Who are these men? That is the question I keep asking myself. Who are these men? What do they stand for and who do they represent? Are they really speaking out of their own personal interest or selfish interest? I am asking a question and I need somebody to answer me these questions honestly. You are saying that now more will deceive in the by. Now I am asking you, between onye aho na aria jenu no pastor will only for ye konwo and the onye jenu na nke nwa dibia we je gworo ogwo ye jeje toro mmadu o we je gworo ogwo o ye ji we je zu mmadu ohi kele onye deserve lo iga after first. I am asking you, jusazi onwe ga ajuju ebe imu ife between onye ji onwe ye we je chuaja. Consequences of his action is on him. And onye jeru somewhere, but consequences of his action is on other people who deserve government to go after first? Zazie this question. But because it seems like now, if any no analogue nebe nde pastor so no, if a consign nde apoho, yo go be analogue. Onye ji aka eje n'ụlọ ọgwụ maka na n'ụlọ ụka maka na ahụ adụghị o decide aka o jee n'ụlọ ụka instead of ije n'ụlọ ọgwụ decision nye onwe ife merie nya ka o meru ịghọtago onye jere ebe a because of financial breakthrough na afịa n'azụ were ego eje na-ekpoyi ndị ụka ego ka ọgwụ nya onye dị involve onwe onye ọzọ ye take responsibility for his action. It seems like in every single thing ndị mmadụ ji eje n'ụlọ ụka with gbasara people and something that has nothing to do with you, you have taken a decision that you don't want to be part of that scam again, according to you. Why do you keep advocating for people that did not ask for your help? Now, these are people, their actions are hurt on other people. And you are protecting them. You are protecting them. You are shielding them. Yeah? Ndị na-atụ akwụkwọ na-eje akwa arụ ọrụ ha wee je gbuo onye ọzọ wayo. Ha wee je gbuo onye ọzọ wayo ite niile dọ na nke ya do 1000 on the wayo onwe 700 or 800. So I can understand why some of our youth are exhibiting their ignorance on Facebook because now arrested Akwa. We understand. Don't worry. It will not in safe hands. Your ports are in safe hands. We understand. You think we don't know? We can feel your pain. Yes. We feel your pain. Ubolone kaiga no na ayaya no gido na mehe amala bala yoba osakwa ya say no. Eh? Ayaga no na mmehie amala bala ayoba osa yesi no na ya no na mmehie amala ewe bala ayoba. Because oguni no na ano amomundu no na ano ria. But clearly, the highest thing you can do for yourself is to renounce something. Eh? The highest thing you can do for yourself is to renounce something that is no more beneficial to you. Take a decision upon yourself to renounce something that is no more beneficial to you. You see?